Hello and welcome back. Today we're talking about the Cloud Development Kit, or CDK. The CDK allows you to program or create infrastructure in the programming language that you're programming your application in which you're programming your application. What a tongue twister. Anyway, so CDK, in a nutshell, let's say you're programming an application in Python. Well, then you have to write your application in Python and at the same time create your infrastructure separately. That's a bit inconvenient. Well, that's where CDK comes in. Let's say you need an EC2 instance and an S3 bucket for your Python application. Let's say you're doing something with video processing or something like that. Well, using the CDK, you can actually write in your Python code the resources that you need. You can integrate them into your Python code in Python, and then the CDK will convert that into a CloudFormation template, which means you can actually write and deploy your AWS resources at the same time as you write your application code. CloudFormation will create a stack, and the rest is history. We know how that works. It creates all these resources as infrastructure as code. So there we go. CDK is the link between the programming language that you're using and the AWS resources that you need. So here's an example of some code in Python. CDK supports different programming languages such as JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, C#, and others, and you're able to define your infrastructure that way. So here we can see that we're creating an Amazon S3 bucket, and here we're creating an Amazon EC2 instance. So there you go. That's pretty much how CDK works. So whenever on the exam you hear something about incorporating cloud infrastructure into your code or defining cloud resources in Python or JavaScript and so on, then think CDK. So there's a quick summary of what we discussed, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, enjoy the cloud.